Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 20. Today we are going to learn the loop mechanism, or in simple words we are going to start from the for loop. So first of all, what is the for loop? The for loop execute a block of code a specific number of time, or you can say loops is used to repeat a block of code. Okay, so how can you do that? You always write this echo. For suppose this is your echo working. Go to your URL, refresh the page, make sure I have an index.php file inside my php directory. Okay, so it's working fine. For suppose if you want to show 10 times this message, so how can you do that? I'm just adding the br. This is the tag, and make sure you can also use the tags inside your php code. For suppose 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 times. Refresh the page. Okay, so now you can see you are writing 10 times the working or a string inside a single quotations. Okay, so why you are repeating again and again? So by using loops you can repeat a block of code again and again. So first of all we are going to start the for loop. So the for loop, you can write your for loop syntax here, your code execute here, and this is the initializing counter, and this is the counter, test counter, or in simple words you can check your conditions here, and finally the increment counter. Okay, so now your code goes here. Okay, so how can you write a code? So start your for loop. First of all, curly braces. Okay, now I am saying I means I'm giving a variable. I'm saying start from 0. Make sure separate with semicolon. Okay, so the conditions, how can you check your condition? I'm saying when I less than or equals to 10, then add a plus plus. Okay, that means I'm saying add a +1. Okay, now I'm saying echo, and this time I'm saying working. Go to your directory, refresh the page. Okay, this is I plus plus, sorry, this is I, because we have created the I variables. We are initializing the I variable, and here we are counting, or we are checking the variables value, and here we are adding +1. Okay, so now go to your page, refresh the page. You can see it's working fine. Make a break row, so you can break your content. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this time 11. Why it's 11? Because you are saying start from 0. So this is 10 and +1. So I'm saying start from 1 and then check the variables value, then increment by 1. Okay, refresh the page. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so where you can use your loops, for suppose if you are fetching the data from the database, and you are storing that data inside a single variable, which is the array variable, and then you can find each and specific value from that array by using the for loop. Okay, so if you don't know about arrays or database, don't worry, I am going to explain each and everything in my later lectures. For now, this is for loop, and you can repeat a block of code. So this is the block of code. You can repeat the block of code how many times you can specify. Okay, I'm saying start from 1, then I'm saying check the condition, and now I'm saying +1. So first of all the value is 1, and now I'm checking 1 less than equals to 10. So this is the two conditions. Then it's echoing this string. We are generating the output working, and now we are adding a +1. Now the value is 2, so 2 less than 10. So it works until this condition, we get this condition to false. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to learn the while loop and the do while loop. So thank you for watching.